So this is Squishy Sticker Part 2. I'm showing you guys the squishiness. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, off the flashlight and focus it again. You can see my rabbit. I just show you guys the squishiness. Can you see that? See? Squishy. So it was squishy. And it's not easy to find this. So it also costs $5. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye!